VRPEFIT Smartwatch for men/women. 1.69 touchscreen. Fitness tracker for Android, iPhone, iOS. Heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep monitor, 5 ATM waterproof. Sedentary reminder. Price is $22 on Amazon. VRPEFIT for men/women smartwatches are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews and put up the best VRPEFIT smartwatch from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Features and details. 14 workout modes and small practical gadgets. The fitness watch has 14 workout modes, including outdoor and indoor activities: running, walking, cycling, jumping rope, basketball, badminton, football, swimming. These exercise modes help you better track your workouts, such as steps, distance, calories. There are small useful tools: alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, music control, weather forecast, sedentary reminder, and more. Health monitor and sleep track. This sports watch automatically monitors your heart rate in real time for workouts in daily life, and you can manually check your blood oxygen saturation. It can also analyze your sleep and stress status. You can view daily, weekly, and monthly data in the VRPEFIT app to help you better understand your physical condition. This watch cannot be used for medical purposes. Water resistant and long battery life. This smartwatch for men and women has a water resistance range of 5 ATM. So you can wear this smartwatch in the shower, pool. The watch's high capacity and low power design offers a longer battery life. The magnetic sports tracking watch is easy to charge, with a full charge of less than 2 hours, up to 1 week of use and 30 days standby time. Note: the smartwatch is not protected against hot and salt water. Smartwatch for Android, iOS phone. The fitness tracker watch is widely compatible with iOS 9.0, Android 6.0 and above. By connecting the watch to your device via the relevant app, you can get real-time notifications of calls and messages, including Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, INS, Messenger, and more. 1.69 inches HD touchscreen and DIY dials. The fitness watch with 1.69 color touchscreen display has excellent HD quality and gives you a clear and intuitive view of your health and exercise data. With 5 levels of brightness, you can also adjust the brightness to see the display clearly in sunlight. DIY screen settings with pet, family, or landscape photos as dials, and the freedom to set the dial every day. Product information. Watch network systems. Technology: GSM, HSPA or LTE. 2G bands, 3G bands or 4G bands. Speed: HSPA, LTE. Body. Product dimensions: 10.23 by 1.57 by 0.47 inches. Item weight: 4.6 ounces. Build: glass front, sapphire crystal, aluminum frame. SIM: IP67 life waterproof. Memory card slot: yes. Internal stories: ROM and RAM. Camera: yes. Batteries: 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Included. Sound: loudspeak: yes. Audio jack: no. WLAN, Wi-Fi, 802.11, dual band. Bluetooth, 5.0, A2DP, LA. Positioning: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS. NFC, yes. Radio, yes. USB, yes. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.